Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to delegate a task to several team members within Asana. The process is quite straightforward. Start by clicking on the task to open its detail panel. Your first step is to set the primary assignee. If you need to change the current person, simply remove them and select a new user from the menu. You will see the assignment update instantly, and you can also modify the due date here. To include additional people, you must create subtasks. Give each subtask a specific name and then assign it to the relevant person. For example, if a subtask is titled Move Boxes, you can then pick a different team member to handle that specific part of the job. Although I am working alone in this workspace, you can choose any of your colleagues for these roles. It really is that simple to manage. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped you, please consider liking the video and subscribing. I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.